Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a makeup look that we are done and over with in 2020. So do stick around. If you have not hit the subscribe button, do well to hit the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section so we know how to do this. The first makeup trend we are done and over with is boxy brows. You see how somebody will line her brows and make it so boxy. Let me just show you what I mean. They'll fill it in, and I didn't have a darker pencil because some people or some of us use darker pencil and we don't blend it out and we make our brows look so box shaped like this. And guys, I'm not over exaggerating. I actually see this on some people's face. Makeup trends we are done and over with is hollow brows. Like when you are using a concealer that is 3 shades darker than your skin complexion to line your lower brows and your upper brow. I know that some people, they can actually blend it out very well, but others they don't. Let me show you. See, it's way lighter than my skin complexion. Now leave it like this. Okay, they'll blend it out, but it won't be well blended. Guys, I actually did my research on Facebook before I did this video. Another problem and another makeup mistake that I keep on saying is using shimmer shade as your first transition color. Like, please, in 2021 you should do better. We use a green. This is a green. This is a green. The shimmer shade without applying any transition color. You use it. Another thing too, they don't put any base for their eyeshadow, and they will just go in with the shimmer shade to apply. Like, you see somebody doing this. I actually did a research on Facebook trying to, because before I did this video I really wanted sharing other people's thoughts, so I did a survey on Facebook. This is what I discovered. I'm even trying to blend it. Some people don't blend. They see the look that maybe the person darkened this outer corner with the darker shade. They'll go back again, the shimmy shade, they'll put in their outer crease area. And camera is even looking good. I'm even doing it, I'm concentrating it very well, so they won't even tap it. I don't know how they come up, but I just saw pictures, images. I don't know how they come about the look. They will now blend it inward, everything will just be jam-packed. Everything will be packed. Another trend I'm seeing it while applying your all control. I see people doing this, like packing it on the face. Like, if you're a professional, you can actually work with this, especially this one. But if you're a beginner, you go to do like this. Your foundation, if it's not full coverage, this white strip might peep out. And if you don't know how to blend it well, I see this. And also using a foundation that is not your skin tone. You will not even tap it, you will just See what I'm doing? You use much. Normally, one pump of foundation is okay, but in this kind of weather that we are in, because it's so sunny here, so applying too much foundation is never advisable. See, I'm applying it, dragging it all over my face. Oh, I don't even blend in the neck. Why am I blending in my neck? Another one is also highlighting with 3 shade, 4 shade lighter than your skin tone, and you're packing it on. Pack it all over. Sometimes we see makeup tutorial on Facebook or YouTube. It's not every time, like when they blend, they'll do off the camera and blend it out while you are not seeing. So don't be applying as you are seeing on the video, because you might not be able to blend it out. The beauty sponge, and I'll now make it, scatter it all over my face. That's for fitting the purpose of highlighting. I'll even draw it towards my hairline. Drag it down my chin bone. It's supposed not to be so. Sometimes before you finish highlighting, because you use like 3 shades lighter than your skin tone, and your foundation first was lighter, before you can be done with your makeup, your face is different from your body. You guys won't say you have not been seeing this look. Even some said professional makeup artist still does makeup, the person's face look different and the body is different. And as a beginner too, when you see professional baking, you want to pull and bake too. You pack the whole thing after using concealer that is way lighter than your skin tone. I don't know whether you guys can see through, but if you look very well, you see, because I didn't blend out that primer well, I'm having patches like all over my face. So you bake, sometimes you even do reverse contour when the person's face is already whiter than the body. You do it and you leave it like that. Coloring too. You are using 3 shades darker than your skin complexion, and you start here and apply. How am I using circular motion? You won't use a circular motion. You bring it downward. See, you now see as if it's a line. It's a line drawn. Until you do a mistake and blending it out. For the whole purpose of contouring. See how it is very sharp, and you can see the demarcations of the self. You knowing that the nose is a very difficult area to blend. Oh my goodness. You go in with the same 3 shades darker than your skin complexion and draw the line. Oh. You will not blend out the brush. You now bring down. Down. do to the other side of the nose. Since you want to snatch your nose. And I saw one, like the person actually did like this. I don't know what this is for. Like seriously, what is this? I'm serious. The person actually like drew a line in between like this. No blending in. Jesus Christ. The person have smaller eyes. I carry lash and start from here to apply. See? I now feel like I have an umbrella on. Highlighting. You highlight, you use a lighter tone for a lighter person and a deeper tone for a darker person. Wamba. Since you see highlighter now, you want to make everything pop. Since the other things are not moving well, you pack it. Do the nose too, from the bridge of the nose down. So the lip stain is off. You don't blend the liner to your lip stain. Two of them pop up like this, like two different entities. Since you want the lips to match the shadow, so you do it like this. Everything looking harsh. But this is the train I think we should drop in 2021. We can do better than this. We can. I know we can. And I know that as a beginner, it's usually hard the first time, but practice makes perfect. And you should go light with some of the products you use. Because I look like a clown now, a makeup clown. I hope you learned something, you took anything, and comment the trend you don't like, you don't want to see in 2021 down below, so that we know. Maybe we can do a part 2 of this video because it's not looking like that. Oh, see, I'm looking like a clown. The highlighter is too much, the nose is too much, the lips is not even well blended. So on to the next video. Share your thoughts to the